Okay, let's do this. Everybody else is doing it. Why aren't we doing it? Well, we are doing it right now. Watch. The difference in my Velveeta cheese dip is that I'm using Impossible Burger. Okay, so your vegetarian friends can partake of it and your non-vegetarian friends won't even know. We're gonna brown this 1 pound of Impossible Burger with 1 finely diced jalapeno pepper and about 1/4 of an onion, finely chopped. But put as much onion as you want. We're gonna cook this on medium heat until the burger is cooked through. It does say to cook to 160, and then you want those vegetables a little bit softened. I'm making Impossible cheese dip. It's impossible. It's impossible. It's impossible. That's all I'm saying. We're cooking up some processed cheesy dip. Don't judge me. You want to break up this ground Impossible Burger. Just break it up, just like you would hamburger. I said break it up, just like ground beef. I'm not kidding. Just do it. Just like ground beef. It looks like ground beef. It's gonna taste a little bit like ground beef. Some people call this Rotel dip. Some people call this Velveeta dip. I'm calling it processed cheesy dip. Whatever you call it, it's good. Convinced yet? Look at that. Now that this Impossible Burger is almost cooked, I'm just adding in a little bit of seasoning salt. You can do that to taste or leave it out, or use regular salt and pepper or some other seasoning of your choice. Now my Impossible Burger is completely brown. Now I'm going to add 1 pound of the processed cheese. I'm not apologizing for it. Diced tomatoes with green chilies. I drained them. You don't have to drain them. I like it a little thicker. So now you're just going to cook this until it melts. That's what you're going to do now. I've seen this lots of different ways. This is the easiest, most basic way, but you can add other things. You can use sausage instead of beef, or some sausage and some beef. You can use regular ground beef, right? I'm using the Impossible beef, but because I don't eat meat. You keep stirring it, okay? Because if you don't, it could scorch. And you don't want scorched processed cheese product in your dip. Using the same bowl I had placed my cheesy goodness in, I'm going to pour it into here. Watch this. You are going to just love this. Now, I am not a person who likes to say, I don't like the phrase to die for, because I don't think there's many things to die for. But if I were a person who said that phrase, I'd be saying it right. Cheesy Impossible. All right, I'm just going to dip it in. Look at that. Ooh, that's steamy. Give it a try. I love how good that is. Try this at home. Let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching. You take care now.